Look at it. The gift I got from my suppliers, my friends, some of my business partners. These are not all. Some is still on the way coming. Look at it. All what I can see is some moon cakes, some Chinese tea, some even give gifts to Anthony for basketball. Some give different gifts. For return, I need to go and see some of them. Yesterday I went to see 2 of my friends. Today I'm going to see 2 more also. Meanwhile, I need to see them because I have some orders to conclude with them. I need to go and get the gifts that I prepared for them. For return, I prepared some fruit baskets for them. I have ordered from the fruit shop. We are going to take it now. Now we come to take our fruit basket. 老板，我的果篮呢？这里啊，这2个 ，look at the basket. 这个好看一点啊。2. 你帮我拿车上去了。车哪里？帮我拿车上，在这里。我等一下转让给你啊，转让给你。好重啊！
这个牌子吧。
Now we are in another supply place, hotel item supply. 来，李小姐你好。Look at what they have here. 没客气，过节嘛，刚好赶上过节。丹妞，阿姨，我哥去停车了。他是说状态挺好的，状态挺好的，这样热不热？不过你这样热还好了。
我要准备留长一点点。
留长一点，要绑起来。小孩呢？
在家。
在家里。
他怕生吗？
他不怕生，但是他很调皮。
是最小的那个吗？
最小的老五，来坐，来你坐。
帮她拍一下，发给她老公看看。
好，坐呀，坐呀。他没有，他下个月才回来。我先回来了。对了
1500条。
1000条。
我看他要说500条的话，是什么条吧？
500条不好说，最少都要1500，他要不了1500的，有可能可以这么多哟，因为他还有新酒店嘛。
那说调一下，看那养缸怎么调？
它是100斤可以做多少条？
你要算一算，
不好洗。
他如果这个如果是2.5没有了，3个月大的可以吗
3个月没问题吧？之前拿的是一样用的，应该是。
用，都是风扇用的。
对，然后这个。
那我改3个月大的是30。
Now we are in the hotel supply market. Look at all this is tableware, very beautiful ones. This market actually they supply like hotel supply items, restaurant items. They have plenty, many options. All these ones are very beautiful. Have a look of it. So Daniel, let's go. I want to try and select some items for our home use in Women's. I want to select some dinnerware. Let's go and check.
哦，那就绝对没问题。
然后其他的银色我只要刀沙。
你用玫瑰金，
玫瑰金
也好，用这个金也好。
玫瑰金，
那没问题。
This one very beautiful. 拿一些普通的勺子。没有。还有哪些是有过的吗？你现在给我看一下。
都没，其他的因为有一些很便宜的嘛，你好像这些，但是
这个呢？这个有过吗？
金的都没有。
都没有。这个银色，我不要去不锈钢色的。
不锈钢是有。
有是吧？
有。
现在有吗？
那
可以啦。
你给一点点给我赚好不好？
还是可以啦。
21，
这要10套就够了。这个呢？这个是
混
混色吗？
不是，这个要多少套？
那个要10套。这个是混色吗？你想要混色的是不是？
不是，你要混色也可以。
我要混色。
你要混色也可以。
我要混色的。混色的一箱。
你这个也是拿。
一箱。
Sunshine and laughter all around. Dance in the circle, feel the sound. Hands joined together, we are one. Family time has just begun. Smiles and stories shared today. Children's voices lead the way. Love is floating in the breeze.
birthday dinner this evening. Now I'm going to choose some gifts for them. I'm the type of person I don't like to go to any birthday dinner without any gifts. So I plan to do some diffuser and these candles for them. It is a shop. They are specialized in all different air freshener, scented candles, and diffuser. Look at what they have here.
Sunrise paints the sky. Time starts to slow down. Moments drift and fly. Gentle waves, they're calling softly on my mind.
So I'm taking this size. It's lavender scent. One candle with one diffuser. I hope they will like it. They see the packing. We are going to use this box. I hope they will like it tonight.